Hi everyone, good morning. Ano yung difference ng successful sa non-successful people? If we notice, we both have the same amount of time. The difference is of a successful people and a beggar is how they use their time. If you look at it, we have the same amount of time. We have the same 24 hours, we have the same days, we have the same months, we have the same years. Time is uncontrollable. You cannot stop the time. And it has no respect on you. But the thing is, people can control time. We have the ability how to manage or control our time. Now, how we use our time is more crucial. That's why there's a rich people and there is a beggar. There is a difference between successful and non-successful. The young and the old is how we manage our time, how we control our time. See, mas maganda na we choose to use our time sa mga bagay na makakapagpa-develop sa atin, makapagbigay sa atin ng good result. And importante na makakita natin or magamit natin yung value ng time na meron tayo. Kasi lahat tayo pare-parehas lang na may same amount of time. Even the Indian and the Asians, same amount of time. Why there's a successful or rich people, why there is a beggar or poor people? Kaya, ngayon pa lang, you have to be aware kung paano mo ginagamit yung time na meron ka at saan mo ginagamit yung time na meron ka. Kasi maaring nagpo-focus ka sa bagay na hindi naman talaga nakakapagbigay sa iyo ng magandang result sa buhay mo or hindi ito productive para sa iyo. Kahit sino ka man or ano ka man ngayon, kailangan natin matutunan at maging aware tayo kung paano natin gagamitin yung time na binigay sa atin. Kasi hindi natin mababago yan. Hindi natin siya maibabalik. It's unstoppable. The only we can stop is the things that we can do, the things that we do na hindi naman nakakapagbigay sa atin ng good result sa life natin. So, ngayon pa lang, isipin mo na yung mga bagay na pwede mong gawin sa time na meron ka. Yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo para kung ano man yung sitwasyon mo ngayon sa buhay mo, meron kang magawa. Huwag mo hayaan na masayang yung 24 hours na meron ka na hindi mo nagagamit ito ng tama. Huwag mo hayaan na yung araw mo, yung weeks mo, yung months mo, and year mo, masayang na wala kang ginagawa. You can do something about it. You can control your time. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone and God bless.